Hello, today I will teach you how to model a 3D dragon using Nomad Sculpt. First, we will choose the Move tool and move the sphere forward and make it hollow at the top to form the dragon's lower jaw. Now we will specify the material and let it be skin 10. We do not want it to be too shiny to look more realistic. Remember, do not exaggerate. Now we choose the Stamp tool, and from this brush icon we choose Alpha and select the reptile skin that we downloaded previously. And we drag on the jaw like this, and remember that the intensity must be less than 5% in order for it to have a uniform appearance. We choose the drag tool and make this rock background pattern to add jaw serrations. Then we choose the tube tool to make dragon gums, and I advise you to raise the lazy stroke level of the brush icon to make the tube look more professional. Then we choose the inflate tool to make the fangs emerge from the gums. Then from this list we will choose Add and choose Cone, and when it appears, do not choose any tool before activating the mirror feature so that you will have the same shape repeated on the same horizontal level, so you will not need to calibrate the distances yourself. Now to make the tongue, we will add sphere and make it red but not too much, and add a little glitter to make it look wet and move it around. Now we use the crease tool to create the center line. To increase the aesthetic appearance, we can make, the red skin that is between the dragon's jaws. We can make it with a ball, which has a mirror property, and we flatten it like this. We choose the stamp tool and choose this line style. You do not need to download it. It is available in the program. Now we make the rest of the head. We add a large sphere, not too much, and place it in the middle and start moving it. Do not forget to make the eye sockets and highlight the area below the cheek area, because the dragon opens its mouth, so you must pay attention to these consequences. Now we add the eyes. I will make them blue, even though my favorite color is green, and we will make them luminous. I forgot to tell you that if you don't like the previous method of making gums, there is another way using the brush tool and the drag tool like this. Now we add the horns. I think the golden color will be appropriate. Now we choose the stamp tool and make the style none, and the color the same as the color of the head in order to give an elegant appearance. We add a line in the middle and move the chest slightly to make it look like muscles. Now we add the back scales. Well, here we have finished. We will complete the rest of the dragon in an upcoming video soon. Sorry if the video is long. If you like it, press like, and if you do not, press dislike. If you are interested in a design that is not just 3D and want more, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to encourage and support me, in exchange for additional benefits, which I will not tell you, I will not spoil the surprise for you. The Patreon link is in the description box, and if you would like to work with me, you will find my work email in the description box. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Omar. I am 17 years old. I am in high school now, and I have half a year left to enter university. Since I was young, I loved drawing and creating things, so I decided that this would be my freelance work. See you and goodbye.